Simple Chef Cast Iron Skillet 3-piece set, Best Heavy-Duty Professional Restaurant Chef Quality Pre-Seasoned Pan Cookware Set 10. Heavy-duty, cast iron skillets are a timeless must-have for every kitchen. The Simple Chef Cast Iron Skillet 3-piece set is virtually indestructible and will last years, decades. Better than any lodge cast iron set, ready to use, the skillet set is ready to use, straight out of the box. They are factory pre-seasoned, which is much more effective than at-home pre-seasoning. Factory pre-seasoning makes our cast iron skillets virtually non-stick, easy to clean, protected against scratches, and will also make your food rich in flavor. Multifunctional, our cast iron cookware is multifunctional and suitable for many different cooking methods. Use our skillets on the stove top, in oven, over a campfire, and even when slow cooking. Our set is great for frying, sautéing, cooking, grilling, and more. Heat retention, our design provides superior heat retention for cooking. And they conduct heat evenly so that your meals will turn out perfectly cooked every time. Plus the sturdy handle aids in lifting and provides a hole for hanging when not in use. Satisfaction guaranteed, we are so confident in the quality of our product that we offer a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If you are unsatisfied, simply contact us to return the product for a full refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.